Can you guys hear that? Yeah, that's rain. It's rain. Oh man. Oh man. Oh jeez. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Hopefully power doesn't go out because my phone is dying. We still have power. See? After when my lights turn off for a while, it goes like really dark. Okay. I'm just gonna show you from my room. Oh, I thought it just stopped. If it did just stop, that'd be creepy. Very creepy. So let's look. I can't open the window. Why can't I open? This window does not open. Oh, that looks pretty. Ooh. Okay, guys, so I do make Musical.lys, and I will put it down in the description below what my account is called. You guys will have to find it yourselves because I'm too lazy to do anything else. So yeah. Actually, I'm kidding. I'm not going to put it down in the description in this video. In the next video, I will talk more about it. Yee.